હે? શું કહ્યું? તારી પત્નીએ છૂટાછેડા આપવા માટે 1 કરોડ રૂપિયા BMW ગાડી અને મુંબઈમાં 750 સ્ક્વેર ફીટના ફ્લેટની માગણી કરી છે? અરે પણ હજુ તો તમારા લગ્નને 1 વર્ષ થયું છે માંડ. એમાંથી 11 મહિના તો એ પોતાના પિયર રહી હતી. હવે જ્યારે તમને બંનેને બનતું નથી અને તું છૂટાછેડા લેવા માંગે છે તો ત્યારે અરે પણ એ પોતે પણ ભણેલી ગણેલી છે, MBA થયેલી છે, મહિને દાડે 1 લાખ રૂપિયાનો તો એને પગાર છે. અને બરાબર, જેવું તે છૂટાછેડાનું પિટિશન દાખલ કર્યું એટલે એણે પોતાની નોકરી છોડી દીધી. દીકરા, મને તો લાગે છે કે એણે તારી પાસેથી પૈસા પડાવવા માટે જ આ બધું નાટક કર્યું છે. નોકરી છોડી દેવાનું અને આટલી મોટી ડિમાન્ડ. ખરેખર શું થઈ ગયું છે આજકાલની છોકરીઓને? લગ્નની સંસ્થાને પૈસા કમાવાનું સાધન સમજી બેઠી છે. ભગવાન, ભગવાન એ છોકરીને સદબુદ્ધિ આપ. શું થશે મારા દીકરાનું? ખરેખર હું તો એવી પ્રાર્થના કરું છું કે બંને જણા છૂટા જ ન પડે. દીકરા, મને તો એમ લાગે છે કે જરૂર આ છોકરીને કોઈએ ચડાવી છે. જેટલો સમય આપણી સાથે રહી ત્યારે આવી તો નહોતી. ખબર નથી પડતી કે લોકો શું કરવા માંગે છે. પ્રભુ, એને સદબુદ્ધિ આપ. કઈ કર પ્રભુ. ક્યાંથી લાવશે આટલા પૈસા મારો દીકરો? શું થશે મારા દીકરાનું જીવન? કેવી રીતે જશે? પ્રભુ, મારા દીકરાને કઈ કર. સદબુદ્ધિ આપે છોકરીને.
Advocate Priti Gada, listen to this. This is what is happening today in matrimonial relations. You have practiced, or rather you are practicing in matrimonial courts. I am also practicing in matrimonial courts. And see what is happening today. Marriages are becoming a curse. People are therefore not willing to get married. You know, one of my friend's son, he refuses to marry because he says that if I marry and after some time my wife seeks for divorce and then claims maintenance and says that give me 1 crore of rupees and flat and this and that, from where will I get it? So, what is the solution of this?
Yeah, this lady is right at some extent. Now, I think so. Nowadays, mothers are worried about this only, and you are right that youngsters, they really don't want to get married because of this situations which is prevailing now. To file a false complaint under 498A, then demand a huge amount of alimony, car, flat, everything. So it's like become a business. Very sorry to say this.
Section 498 was enacted to help ladies.
Yes.
Instead of that, the ladies are trying misuse of that section and harassing their husbands, in-laws and other related persons. And then they are threatening them. They are blackmailing them. And some advocates encourage them
Yes.
to do all these things.
Yes. This is what it is going on. In the Supreme Court, many times in many cases, time and again, has said that 498A should not be misused. And if it is misused, even the female should be punished. So 498 is actually enacted for the needy person, needy woman who are really helpless and who really needed the help of the police. But now, few advocates and few clients, female clients, they are taking advantage of this sections.
Disadvantage.
Sorry, yes, you are right. Disadvantage of this sections and harassing their in-laws, their family members, everyone. So this is a real misuse of 498A.
During the time when I was practicing in matrimonial courts, these type of occurrences were very less.
Yes.
But today you find that every next person, every next woman is asking for huge maintenance,
Yes.
unbelievable amount. If the husband is working and is earning 50,000 a lakh of rupees per month, from where is he going to get 1 crore rupees? And the women themselves are at fault.
Yes.
Ultimately, because it becomes intolerable, the husband files divorce petition. And in order to pressurize him, the wife, although she herself is guilty, she will oppose that petition. And because of our laws are such that although the husband is right, the wife is wrong, and then also the petition is dismissed. Divorce is not granted. Then husband goes into appeal. Appeal court also dismisses it. Then he has to go to Supreme
In
Court.
India,
And in the process, so many years passes.
in India, we have one major difficulty that you have to prove the ground of divorce, cruelty. And what happened? Initially when husband wants to part it with and he files a divorce, to pressurize for the monetary gain, the wife filed the all kind of complaints against the husband, their relatives, their parents. Then huge demands comes by way of alimony, houses. Then she needs a car because husband must be having a car. Though she is well earned, she must be earning. She is well professional. She has a good qualifications. In spite of all this, they keeps on asking from the court that she's bichari, she needs everything. This is what to be stopped. You recently read this order passed by our Chief Justice, Justice Gawai.
Yeah. Yes.
I think so. Now the time has come. Even the Supreme Court is taking matters very seriously about the matrimonial issues, where the wives are demanding huge amount of alimony, car, house, and everything.
Very true. In USA, in America, if a petition is filed for divorce, and if there is a dispute as regards the alimony, division of property, then the divorce is first granted.
Yes.
And then the parties are said, oh, now you go on fighting for your alimony, for division of property.
Separation amount also, 50% during that marriage when they have accumulated the whatever income. But in India, that is the only problem where, see, these laws were enacted long years ago. Now there is women are more independent, they are working, they are having good job, good income, everything. So now the time has come that this law should not be taken as a disadvantage. Or rather you can say that you harass the husband, the family members, just to, make your illegal demands true.
In some cases, women are earning more than their husband.
Yes.
So actually they should be asked to pay alimony to their husband.
That concept is not yet, digestible in our society.
Yeah.
That it is always that I am a woman, I should get the maintenance, and the very one line, I should be maintained as per the standard of living of my husband. Husband may not have any standard of living. Still, there is a exaggerations of the many things and demanding many kind of alimony or whatever other relief also.
We always believe that the husband should pay the bill.
Yes.
And that is the disadvantage which the women are taking.
Yes.
I think that if a divorce petition is filed and if husband and wife are unable to live together, if they are living separately since long, then the court should grant them divorce. And then let them fight for divorce, for maintenance, let them fight for property, let them fight for alimony. But at least their life is separated, they can start a new life.
So that
But here, The matter goes on for years
Yes.
together.
So I think
And-
so this Justice Gawai's judgment is very well came in time, where the court has said in this particular matter, when the female is herself ITN, she's MBA, she's having a good skill to earn, her profession is well in demand. So court has said the same thing. Why can't you go and earn? You cannot just dependent upon your husband. You cannot use husband as an ATM. Even in other
Yeah.
matter, this today I think so it has came. Female IPS officer, she has filed almost 30 cases against their
What are you
in-laws.
saying?
Yes.
30
So it is a
cases?
misuse of her profession, her power, everything. And court has really came down to the that, and court has directed the IPS officer to publish apology letter in the social media, newspaper, everywhere.
Oh.
So this is real required. What
Right,
now
right.
court has come, this manner.
As the world is changing, India is also changing.
Yes.
These matrimonial laws should also be changed. And women who are demanding such huge amount, they should be what you could say is discarded. They should not be encouraged at all. And divorce should be granted.
The main thing
Then
with
you
the
go
490,
fighting for
no,
your
sir,
money.
498, whoever filed 498A, and if comes for a withdrawal, they should be penalized.
Right.
So this should not be encouragement to lawyers or litigants to come before the court and file an application file complaint for 498. And recently, Allahabad High Court has given a very good certain observations and guidelines in respect of not to arrest in 498A cases for at least for 2 months.
Oh.
And the Supreme Court has accepted those
Very
guidelines
good,
also.
Very good, very good.
So even the Supreme Court is now on very much that the first party should go for mediations. They should try to settle the disputes.
Very true.
And recently, you must be aware, sir, the Supreme Court is celebrating the mediation month.
Right.
So every matter should go for mediation.
Yeah,
So that is also one of the
that is good, and let us hope that the husband and wife, they live in peace, they remain married, and if at all they cannot go together, they cannot live together, they should separate peacefully, and wife should not make such unjust,
demand.
improper, wrongful demand. Wife should not try to blackmail husband, harass husband. Let us hope for the
So
best.
I think this lady will get a good answer from this our talk also. She will get a good tips from our talk also,
Yeah.
and she can brief her son.
And I would recommend all those husbands who are being harassed by their wife, go to Priti Gada Advocate. She is one of the best lawyers in Mumbai.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for
Thank
listening to
sir.
us.